second semi-finals games here from this one. So also between from China versus India from this one. So if you win from this one and also make it to the finals from the women. So what do you think the watch of these video clips here? So let's see of this one. Hello everyone, so we're here from the second semi-finals here from this one in FIDE Women's World Cup 2025 second semi-finals today. So it means it means semi-finals from this one. We have tie breaks here, so draw between game 1, 2, 3, and 4. So 4 games, so it means tie. Without tie from this one from draw. So draw from this one. Oh, I don't know draw because of the determinations here. So I will choose from this one. It is best by game 5 here from this one. So after that later we'll skip by game 8 from this blitz here from this one. So how many clocks here from this one? Oh, rapid chess. So the time clocks within 10 minutes and 20 seconds increment. What a nice shot from these time clocks. So I love rapid. So I love rapid from 10 minutes and or maybe 5 seconds. So, so it means 5 seconds here from this one. So it means game 5 from the semifinals and also have between from Grandmaster, my favorite players in China is Lei Tingji versus Grandmaster in India is Hampi Konero. So it means after the knockout by Yu Shin Song from this international master here from this one. So if you win from this one semifinals, we'll make it to the finals of this FIDE Women's here from this one. So in this part of these videos here from this one, in this rapid chess here, and also analyze of these chess games in this one in the semifinals game number 5. So white plays Lei is e4, e5 Konero, knight f3, knight c6, bishop c4, entering Yokopiano, and d3. Oh, without d3 is called same by Yokopiasini move variation from this one. So if you try this one is used by here by c3. So Yokopiasini mo variation from this one. So C3 is a Yokopiasini mo. Yokopiasini mo or Yokopiano. So it means D3 by Lei. Oh, without D3 here from this one. And knight F6 by Konero with idea by ready by castling by Konero from this one. Or castle without castle here. And c3 by Lei or maybe here by idea by move by d4 attacks this bishop here from this one without attacking this one, and h6 by no more by bishop to g5 or knight g5. So it means without no more by bishop to g5 or knight g5. So it means without these are the use move by pawns here from this one, and also castle kingside by Lei. And also d6. Without d6 here from this one, or maybe without idea, without move by here by bishop to g4. Without pinning by here and threats by knights here. Connecting by here by bishops there from this one here. And also knight bd2, a5. Strongest by this one in this Konero here from this one without strongest. Rook e1, castle kingside by Konero, without castling, and h3 by no more by bishop. So no more by bishop to g4. So these are the controls here from this one, or no more by knight to g4. So these are the targets by pawns here from this one, and bishop e6 here from this one, and no. No, I don't want to capture. So it means bishop b5 from this one. So it means these are the novelty by Lei. So why don't we try this one? I don't know what novelty by bishop b5. This not this is answer is no here from this one. So the gentleman try this one. So what you try is bishop takes captured without controls here from this one, or without controls, without male or gentleman. And so once the gentleman here from this one without captured bishop, and also no, I don't want to capture bishop. So it means without captured here from this one, and knight d7, and also knight f1 with idea by, or maybe without idea by knight, or knight g3 without blocks, or maybe move by knight to b6. Controls by develops here from this one, and d5 without ready by captured, knight e3. Oh, symbolize knight e3 here by controls here, or determinations. So it means without doubles by knights here. Capture this pawn, captured, and also rook e8 without rook a8 here from this one, without, or maybe without pin, without rooks here from this one. These are the, or maybe without lines, or without lines here from this one. With this, these are the lines here from this one, and knight g4. So it means novelty by Lei. So it means knight g4. So out of this booklet, this is a novelty. So these are the old main line here from this one. So good novelty is this one is first a3, and second is bishop to d2, and third, this one is bishop captured knight. So these are the first, second, third here from this one, without first and second here from this one. So the fourth novelty is knight g4 by Lei. So it means these are the choose by Lei from knight g4, or maybe without controls, without develops here. And bishop takes captured. Oh, sacrifice. I think it's sacrifice here. Pawn takes bishop, and knight f6 without good move by Conero. So it means precise move here from this one. And in accept, Lei takes by queens, rook takes captured, and also knight h2. So it means without knight h2 by Lei here from this one, or controls by develops, or defense by pawns. And pawn g5, king f1. King must be active by Lei. So it means king must be active, and rook e6. Oh, with idea by battery. So controls by batteries from this one without determinations, or connecting by this one, or controls here from this one. And pawn f3, knight e7 without move here with idea by, or this one is knight to g6, or knight to g6 from this one, or connecting. King e2, king must be active by Lei here from this one, and king e7, king g7, sorry. King g7, sorry. So I'm sorry, forgot my thing. So king g7, so it means king must be active by Conero, and knight f1, and king g6. So it means doesn't want of this computer from Conero from these games. So the best moves there, this one is rook to e d6 battery. Without battery here from this one, without battery, or controls here from this one. So king g6 by Conero, and knight g3, and h5, another bad move by Conero. So the best moves there is battery, rook e d6. Rook e d6 battery here from this one. So back there is h5, bishop c4, good move, thrust by rooks, and rook b6. Almost there, bad move, another bad move. So the best moves is rook, battery again, rook a d6, battery again, or maybe without battery. So these are the first, or these are the 3 times bad move from this one. So rook d6 here from this one, or controls by determinations by Conero here from this one, and takes by check, knight takes captured. With idea by ready by captured by knights. or without knights captured here from this one without check, or knights captured or check. These are the checks here from this one. Knight takes captured, king takes captured, without king takes captured, and bishop takes f7 check captured, without captured here, and also king h6 here. So this is called by slightly opposite color bishop. So slightly opposite color bishop here from this one. So it means white bishop and black bishop here. So it's slightly opposite color bishop from this one, and and also rook h1 check, and also king g7 with the threats by bishops, attacks by bishops, and bishop c4. Slightly opposite color bishop, seen by slightly nothing. There the bishop, sorry. I don't know this one. Sorry, I forgot thinking. So same, there's a bishop here from this white here. And also g4 without sacrifice by Conero. Without sacrifice, and also b3 takes by check, takes, and also knight g6, so it means bad move without computer by Conero. So the best moves there is one is rook to so the best moves is rook to rook to g6. Wait. Rook to g6. Sorry, I find this one to best moves. Rook g6 is a best moves. So the best moves is rook g6. So these are the controls here. So I'm sorry, I will realize here from this one. So I'm confused. My thinking is very hard. This one. So it means knight g6 here by Conero, and bishop h6 check, and king f6. Rook h5, without rook h5 here from this one, or idea by check. Is that check? Check here. So check from this one. Correct, check. And rook d7 here from this one, and rook f5 check, and king e7. Rook h1, without rook h1 here from this one, and king e8, and f4 sacrifice, so it means bad move by Lei. So these are the computer, that's not one of this computer. So the one's computer, so the best mods one's computer is best moves rook d1. So rook d1 here from this one, if you capture this, rook takes captured and king takes captured. So these are the slightly betters from these whites here. So back there is f4 by Lei without captured by pawns, and rook h7, with idea by threats by bishop, or threatening by bishops here from this one. These are the targets here from this one, and also rook fh5 with idea by battery, so it means in a currency error move, wrong move by Lei. So the best moves there is rook hh5 without code 5th rank. 5th rank here from this one without 5th rank. 5th rank here. These are in our currency here. So back there is rook fh5 without battery, and bishop f8, good move by Conero, and f5, strongest by Lei with idea by threats by knight. So controls here from this one, and rook takes captured, pawn takes knight, without pawn takes knight, rook takes captured, wrong, captured by rook. So the best moves is rook captured pawns. So rook captured pawns here from this one. These are the continuation. Need to capture rook captured pawns. So why rook captured pawns by rooks by Conero? So these are the rook captured, and bishop f7 check. Good move by Lei. So without good move here from this one, and king e7, rook takes captured, and bishop g7, with idea by slightly opposite color bishop. So these are the slightly opposite color bishop here from this one. These are there. So bishop whites and bishop by blacks, it's slightly, so it means it's slightly opposite color bishop here from this one. Same by pairs from this one. Without pairs. And rook h7, with idea by threats by bishop, king f6 here from this one, and rook backwards h1, king e7 with idea by threats by bishops, and rook g1, rook f6. Oh, with idea by sacrifice. I don't know sacrifice here from this one, without sacrifice here. And also pawn a4, c6, and rook to h1. Oh, with idea here, or maybe with idea by rook to h7 threat by bishop. With idea by threats, so threatening here from this one is this bishop here. So rook f4 without threatening by pawns here, and king e3 king e3 here, defense by pawns here, and rook g4, and also king d3, rook f4, and also rook e1. So it means another bad move by Lei. So these are the computer here from this one. So the one's computer, the best moves is rook to h7 with idea by threats by bishop. So with idea here by use from this one, by controls connecting here, by slightly better from whites. So rook e1 here from this one, and b6, so it means wrong by Conero without error moves. So the best moves there is one is, so the best moves is one is bishop to f6. So bishop to f6 here from this one. These are continuations here. So bishop f6 here. So back there is b6 by Conero, and king c4 without king must be active. So it means wrong move by Lei, X move. So the best moves there, this one is b4. So b4 here, if it takes, pawn takes, captured, and decided this one. These are the, or maybe here by doubles by pawns or whites and blacks here from this one. So these are the doubles here. These are connecting here from this one. So back there, this one is king c4 by Lei, and also rook f3 here. Rook e2. Oh, so it means without rook e2 here from this one, and king f6 here from this one. So it means question mark bad move by Conero. So the best moves there is one is bishop f6 again. Oh, bishop f6 again here from this one. These are controls here. So controls by determinations. So back there is king f6 here from this one, and bishop e8 without good move by Lei, or maybe with idea by threats by pawns by c6 here from this one. And also b5 check, and captured, check, king takes captured, rook takes captured pawns, and with idea by threats by pawns, next targets by pawns here from this one. and also bishop f7, bishop f8. Oh, I love this one. Is slightly opposite color bishop. So slightly opposite color bishop from this difference here from this one without connecting by slightly opposite color bishop. Slightly opposite color bishop. King takes captured. Bishop c5. b4 with the threats by bishop. Bishop to d4. Rook g2. King g7. And bishop to d5. These are slightly opposite color bishop. So slightly opposite color bishop from this different. So different here from this one. So bishop d5 and rook a3 check, and king b5, rook c3. Good idea. Nothing by check. No more by check here. And also bishop e6, rook c1, and also bishop to f5, rook c7. With idea by move here by rook b7 check. These are the checks by targets here from this one, and rook h2. With idea by check by rook to h7 check, or without check from this difference here from this one, and check, and also king c4 check again, king d5, and also king f6 here from this one. And the last shot from this one is rook h7 without rook to rook. So it means game number 5. So it means resigned by Conero. Why she resigns? Because if you move by rook takes captured, only move here, and also pawn takes rook here from this one. If you king g7, here from this one, and also b5. So b5, and also to bishop to c3. So bishop to c3 here from this one, and also h8 queen. h8 queen, if you king takes captured, and also b6 here. So b6 and bishop to d4. So bishop to d4 here, and b7, and also b7. So b7 and also bishop a7, and also king takes captured pawns, and also king g8 and king g8 and king g8. So king g8 and also d5. So king d5. So these are the without upcoming promote. I mean push. So it means so promotes by queen. So it means so unstoppable here from this one. So it means wins for white by lay. So it means lose from blacks. So the score by lay 89.5, and the score by black Humpy Conero is 83.7. So it means so good by score here from this one. So next, from skip from this one without game 8. So blitz chess from this one. So what do you think of this one in this blitz chess here from this one? Let's see of these games. So game 8 from the semifinals. So white against here between lay from this one, and black against within GM Humpy Conero here from this one. So exchange by blitz chess. I love blitz chess here from this one. 5 minutes and 5 seconds increment. I love it. I love playing blitz from this one. So I was playing in online chess in chess.com. So it means so I choose 5 minutes and 5 seconds increment here from this one. So I love my play blitz here from this one. So different by online chess here from this one. So let's continue from this last game 8 here from this one. So who was the win by make it to the finals in this FIDE women's, and if you lose, knock out by eliminates by tournament, knock out by tournaments. So in this part of this video, you have analyzed of this blitz chess in this FIDE women's. So white plays lay c4, c5, knight f3, knight c6, bishop c4, entering super piano, and d3. Against d3 here from this one. In maybe here move by c3. Controls here from this one without controls by c3, or difference by connecting here from this one, and d3, knight f6, and c3 without move next by e4, threats by bishops here from this one, and also h6, no more by bishop to g5, knight g5. So it means no more by bishop to g5 or knight g5. Castling by lay, and also d6 here from this one, and knight bd2 and a5. So a5 is a novelty by black from this game. So these are the old main lines. First novelty is castling. So it means second is bishop to g4 here, bishop to g4, and also knight. Third is knight a5. Third is knight a5 here. So knight a5 third, and fourth is knight e7. So first, second, and third and fourth novelty. So the fifth novelty is a5 by Conero. Without Conero here from this one, without in maybe 5 minutes and 5 seconds. These are the fasting. It's very hard by games by blitz here. And rook e1, castling by Conero. Without castling from this one. And h3 by no more by here. So no more by bishop to g4 or knight g4. So these are the controls or connecting by pass pawns here from this one. And bishop e6, and no! I don't want to capture! Why? So it means bishop e5. I don't want to capture! I don't! So it means bishop captured by only gentleman. So it means captured. So lay doesn't want is captured, so it means ignoring bishop b5 by lay from this one. This one is continuations here. And knight a7 threatening by bishops, and bishop a4 backwards, b5 threatening by attacks by bishop. Threatening by bishop attacks here from this one, and bishop c2 and knight c6 without good move by Cunero here from this one, and knight f1 without move next by knight to g3. Knight to g3 here from this one. These are the controls here. And d5 by ready by capture takes, queen takes captured with idea. So with idea by here, next target is rook fd8. Rook fd8 from this continuations here from this one, and knight g3. Rook fe8. Without also code by pins or pins by rooks here from this controls here from this one. These are continuations here. And queen e2. Rook a d8 without rook pairs here from this one, without rook pairs, and a3 and a4. So a4 is does not one of this computer bad move by Cunero. So the best moves there is b4. So b4 here from this one. These are controls here from this one. So it means back is a4 here from this one, and bishop t2 without bishop pair. So it means x by lay. So the best moves there is knight. So the best moves is one is knight to a4. Knight e4. So knight e4 here from this one. If you knight takes captured, and also queen takes captured. If you queen takes and rook takes. These are pawn. There are pawns. So pawn takes captured. These are slightly better from whites and blacks here. So these are continuations by controls. So back there is bishop to d2, and go back, queen d7, king h2. Why is that lay? So it means king h2 blunder ratios. So blunders by lay. So it means these are the lowest evaluation by lay king g. So the best moves there. So the one's computer best moves is knight takes capture. Knight takes a5 here. If you knight takes captured and decided this one is queen takes e5 here. So if you move by bishop to d6 here, bishop to d6, and backwards is queen to e3. So queen a3 here from this one. So slightly better here from this one. So back there, this one is king h2, bishop b3. What happened this one by Cunero? Sacrifice. So it means sacrifice x move, another miss move x. So the best moves there is one is king to force h8 without king force h8 here from this one, or without continuations here from this one. What is our controls here? So it means back there is bishop b3 and bishop takes captured, pawn takes captured. These are the many same by coloring bishop. So no more slightly opposite color bishop here. So because these are the white squares and black squares are slightly opposite color bishop. So and also d4 with a tempos attacks by bishop captured. So it means another bad move. Another bad move by Cunero. So the best moves there is the best moves is bishop to f8. Need backwards here from this one. So continuations here from this one. Continuations. So back there, this one is e takes d4 here by bad move by Cunero, and queen takes captured. With idea by captured by lay, or idea by threat attacks by bishops. So these are the thinking by determinations, and rook takes accepted, knight takes captured, and bishop takes captured by same coloring bishop. Without same coloring bishop here from this one. Bishop takes captured without threats by knights here from this one, or tempos attacks or threatening by knights here from this one. These are the attacks by knights here, or same by coloring bishops here from this one, and knight f5 without knight f5 here from this one, and knight d6, or maybe with idea by threatening by queens and ready by captured by knights here from this one. And also knight takes capture sacrifice check. Another blunderations. Blunderations by Lei. Oh, these are the lowest evaluation bar. Another blunderations. That's not one of this computer. So the best moves there is knight takes capture there. Knight takes d6 and decided is queen takes capture knight. So these are the slightly goods from whites and blacks. So why do you think if there's continuations here? So why blunderations knight takes captured sacrifice? Check here from this one, and pawn takes knight, one knight down. One knight down. One knight only. One knight only. Knight down only. Knight down only. Knight down only. From this one. Knight down. From this one. Without knight downs. And queen e2 with a threats by bishop. Threatening by bishops here from this one. Or threatening here. And bishop b6 and knight e5 without attacks by knights. Queen e6 here. So what do you think if idea? Why don't captured? Knight takes captured. And bishop captured. Examples here from this one. These are examples. So queen e6 here. Good idea here from this one. Without pins by queens here from this one. So it means without pin. So avoid. So these are warning. This one, avoid this one. If you knight captured. So if you knight takes captured and queen captured, goodbye queen by Lei. So it means without queens here from this one. And also queen e6 continue by Conero and queen h5 defense by knights and knight takes captured, bishop takes captured, rook e8. With idea by threats by bishop because these are the queens behind the rooks from this one. And bishop go back c3 here from this one, and knight e4 with idea by attacks by bishops. These are attacks by bishops here from this one, and rook e1. So if you captured, so these are warning. If your knight takes captured and queen takes rook 1 rook down. So no more rook downs here. So avoid this one captured only. These are avoided. And continue rook e1 and queen d6 check and king h1 and the last shot. So what do you think? The last shot with resigns knocked out by Lei. So it means proceed to make it to the finals by Conero. So while waiting for a couple of seconds and continue for that. Start. Thank you so much and congrats for everyone. The last shot, boom! Knight g3 check. So it means knockout and resigns by Lei. Why? Because the falls down by traps by queens or check. So falls down, trapped by queens and check here. So why she knocked out here from these resigns? Because if you decided this one is king h2 only move and knight takes captured queen. So knight takes captured. So captured without opening by check. So check here from this one. And also this one is g3 here. So g3, rook takes captured and bishop takes captured. The same here from this one in this beginning here from dorsal down here from this one, and also decided this one is queen c5. Queen c5 and g4 with the threats by knights and queen to g1 mating net. So lose from whites, from knockout from whites here. So the score by Lei is 17.8, lowest fair satisfactory, and score by highest Humpy Conero. So it means Lei is a knockout by eliminates by semifinals. So I thought winning by Lei Ting Chi from this one, my favorite players here from this one. So lose from knockout by eliminates by Lei. So congrats, Hampi Conero will make it to the finals in this one against two here from top two from finals here from this one. So let's see of these final results from second semi-finals here from this one. And so let's see from this one. So these are the winner. So Team China lose from this one. Team China lost, and the wins Team India. Team India. So lost from Team China. So it means Lei Tingqi lost Lei and lost Tan Zhongyi. So the top two from finals. So between from Team India Grandmaster Hampi Conero versus International Master Divya Deshmukh. So good luck of this top two from finals here from this one. So I hope that this part of this video. Thank you so much for watching. I'm Mark Luagi 17, aka iCool Mark 17. Have a good day and keep safe and keep updates of these next chess updates. Have a good day. Bye bye.